Hello there, it's Ty with WTI, and if you're looking for a perfect solution for your small mailing needs, this here is a great solution for that. It's a small mailing box by RUSPEPA, and this part here is the size of a standard shipping label. This box is 6 inches by 4 inches by 1 inch. And when they sent them in 50 bags that are like this. So if you like doing origami, easiest origami ever, this is great also for you. So the way it works is just fold where you see the lines, follow the lines, and you will have a great box in your hands in no time. And there you have it, ready to ship with style. But that, of course, is just my point of view.